Shri Guru Charana Padumam Kevalabhakati Sadumam Bandamuyi Savadana Mate Jahara Prasade Bai Bhavatori Jahai Krishna Prapti Hoi Jahan Hoite Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttama Gati जय प्रसादे पूरे सर्व आशा चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना हा प्रभु कोरोदयं देह मोरे पादचायं ए बिजाशु त्रिभुवना श्रील प्रभुपाद पतित पावना गुरुदेव होइलो शरणं जय प्रभुपदं जय प्रभुपदं श्रील प्रभुपदं जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा. See this mellow for Guru Tattva. A first understanding of Guru Tattva. From the understanding of Guru Tattva, this mellow comes and fills the heart. There will be difficulty in understanding Guru Tattva when there is resistance in the heart. And in that case, we may hear the Tattva here, but it just is so dry, so theoretical. Nothing happens in the heart. This is all to do with the purity in the heart, the tolerance inside, tolerance to the people around, and tolerance to the holy name. Like that. Then the mellows will come. Shri Guru Pyo Namah. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyev cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namah. All the Vaishnavas are like desire-fulfilling trees. They are very dear to Krishna. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, taking the dust from the lotus feet, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. How will one be able to do this without having the tolerance in the heart? Not only tolerance, this is beyond tolerance. You take the foot dust of the Vaishnavas, smear and dance in joy. This is beyond tolerance. And this is love. Vaishnavera padatuli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama dhana mora nityananda pati mora gaura chandra prana mora Yugala Kishora. Our misery is only because of this intolerance. Our misery will go away when we have tolerance. Tolerance is it's not that we are doing any great favor to anybody around. No. Tolerating is a great favor to our own self. We are emptying the kachra. That's a favor to our own self. Everybody's fine around. Everything is fine around. And then when we understand this, then the holy name will come and sit in the heart. Then the mellows will come. Vrindaya Tulasi Devyaya Priyaye Kesavasya Cham Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. Entering, we are taken into the groves of Vrindavana, land of divine love. Yeah. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaha Radha Krishna Seva Pahoe Abhilashi એ તો મારા શરણાલય તારા વાંછ પૂર્ણ હોય. કૃપા કરી કોરો તારી વૃંદાવન વાસી. મોરૈયાભિલાષ વિલાસ કુંજાતિયો વાસ. નયને હરિભો સદમ યુગલ રૂપ રાસી. With the kachra in the heart, with that intolerance in the heart, one may take up diksha, one may take up the process of bhakti, one may hear. But there will be constant misery going on when there is intolerance like that in the heart, whatever one might be doing. So the prayerfully serving, that is the only thing that can be voluntarily done. Hear the pure katha and prayerfully serve. Hear and prayerfully serve. Then the mercy will come. Mercy of the holy name, mercy of the Bhagavata, mercy of the Vaishnavas around will come. Only this mercy can wash away that kachra, not the knowledge, the mercy of the Vaishnavas will wash away that kachra. Mercy of the Bhagavata and mercy of the Vaishnavas will wash away. Morayabhilash vilas kunja diyovas. Nayane haribo sadham yugla ruparasim. Aini vedana dharo sakhiranugata korum. Sevadhikaro diyom koroni chadasim. Dina Krishna dase hoy yena mora hoy. Shri Radha Govinda Premam Sadayena Basi. Hey Vrinda Devi. Yes, please. Yes. Shri Guru brought me into these groves of Vrindavana. Yes, please. Very kindly give me the darshan of Yugala and Yugala Murti all the time. Fill my heart with love for Shri Radha Govinda. Give me Sakiranagati Seva, please, Vrinda Devi, please. Yani kani cha papani brahmahatirikani cha tani pranashyanti pradakshina pade.